Welcome back to Beautyistic, your trusted source for all things beauty and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a product that's both practical and high-tech, a cleaner that promises to take care of your dental appliances. Whether you wear retainers, braces, or a night guard, this 45 kHz Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner is designed to provide deep, thorough cleaning. Let's take a closer look at how it stacks up. First off, the key feature of this ultrasonic cleaner is the use of powerful 45 kHz sound waves and 25 watts of power. The cleaner's goal is to gently yet thoroughly clean all your dental appliances, from aligners to dentures, without causing any damage. In fact, over 95% of aligner users have confirmed that this 25-watt setting is effective for cleaning without harm, which is a reassuring stat for anyone concerned about the fragility of their dental gear. Moving on to the cleaning technology itself, this device uses ultrasonic sound waves to create millions of tiny bubbles that penetrate into crevices and grooves of your appliances. To add an extra layer of cleaning, it features 4 LED UV lights that work alongside the ultrasonic waves to give your items a more hygienic finish. It's said to provide a deeper level of cleanliness than traditional brushing, which could be particularly helpful for night guards, mouth guards, or even jewelry like rings and bracelets. The Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner offers 4 different cleaning modes. 1. Ultrasonic plus UV Clean, green light. 2. Pulse UV Clean, red light. 3. Ultrasonic Clean, blue light. 4. UV Clean only, all lights on. Each of these modes offers a unique cleaning process to suit different needs. The digital timer display allows you to choose between 5-minute or 10-minute cycles, providing flexibility depending on how thorough of a clean you need. In terms of usability, the machine is compact and portable, with a 200mm capacity, making it perfect for travel or smaller spaces. It's made from durable ABS plastic and Suez 304 stainless steel, so you know it's built to last. Along with the cleaner, you also get a mesh basket and tweezers for cleaning small items like jewelry and waterproof watches. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the cleaning modes are versatile, offering options for different needs. The combination of ultrasonic waves and UV light is impressive for deeper cleaning, and the machine itself is easy to use and set up. It's also energy efficient, which is a bonus for those looking to minimize their environmental impact. However, one drawback to keep in mind is that the cleaner doesn't come with cleaning tablets or solution, so you'll need to purchase those separately for optimal results. Additionally, it's a bit of an investment compared to manual cleaning methods, though the convenience and effectiveness could justify the price for many users. When comparing this retainer cleaner to others on the market, it holds its own. Some cleaners may offer ultrasonic cleaning only, but the added UV function here offers an extra layer of sanitation, which is a nice touch. Its compact size also makes it an easy fit in smaller bathrooms or on the go, whereas larger models can be cumbersome. As for build quality, the machine is solid. Its ABS plastic and stainless steel construction feels durable, and it's designed to withstand regular use. Given that it's meant for daily cleaning of dental appliances, it's reassuring to know it's sturdy and can hold up in the long run. As for customer support, the brand offers a 1-year upkeep service and a 30-day hassle-free return policy, which adds a layer of comfort knowing you'll be supported if anything goes wrong. If you're someone who values great customer service, this brand does provide that peace of mind. Looking at alternatives, you might find other ultrasonic cleaners at a lower price point, but they may lack the added UV cleaning or advanced modes. If you're looking for something simple and budget-friendly, you can definitely find an option that performs well enough, but this model seems to stand out for its multiple cleaning functions. So what's the final verdict? The 45 kHz Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner offers an impressive range of features, from deep ultrasonic cleaning to UV sanitization. While it's more of an investment compared to manual methods, it's highly effective and efficient for cleaning dental appliances and jewelry. If you value convenience and thoroughness, this could be a great addition to your cleaning routine. Before we wrap up, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review here on Beautyistic. Your support helps us bring you even more insightful content. Thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts or already own this product, feel free to share your experience in the comments below. You can find the link to get your own cleaner in the description box. Until next time, stay clean, stay fresh, and keep your smile bright with Beautyistic.